We did. Sticker so cute. That was for just sitting. This one will open. You opened it. Oh, that's crazy.